Thought I'd show a quick video of how I evened up my sagging sidewalk where I had about 1.5 inch trip hazard up there at the end of that chain originally. Sorry I don't have a before image, but just trust me, it was bad. So I went around and I found the idea on another YouTube video to set up a way to jack up sidewalk. Now you have to be careful so it doesn't crack it, but 2 C-clamps seem to do the trick with the chains, and I'm using a 12-ton bottle jack. Now it was uneven in areas, so when I evened that up it caused another area to be uneven, so I had to use some wisdom here on how to jack it up in certain places in order to get it all even. As you can see here, I used a steel plate with 3/8 by 3 inch Tapcon screws, pictured there. And I made these plates and bolted them to the sides of the sidewalk, as you see here, to kind of help hold it together. Now this other part, I did raise that up, and then I packed that gravel down underneath with a sledgehammer and pounded it in there with a 4x4 block. That one right there. I made sure it's pounded in there tight to help assist to keep it there, and then bolted that steel plate there. Okay. Now around here I wanted to show you how I got the C-clamps underneath there. Now I need to dig a little deeper than what I did here, but I'm not as concerned because I didn't have to do much lift here. But I will pack some gravel in there, and then I'm going to bolt one of them steel plates on that crack there to kind of help hold it together. Now as you can see, I've got quite a gap here where the slab actually moved and shifted out away from the house, but I'm going to use some filler in that. Haven't decided on what yet, but something that will look good. As you see, it's shifted away from here too. I didn't feel there was much I could do about it. I don't think it would suffice to go ahead and try to shift this pad of concrete over. It'd be too much work, and I just don't have the equipment to do that. But all this didn't cost me much, maybe $50 in bolts, and neighbor gave me some steel plates. So it's a lot cheaper than $1,000 they're going to charge me to try to level this up. Frankly, I could re-pour the whole thing labor free for half that, but I didn't want to do that either, so I tried this, see how it works, and in time we'll know whether I've been successful with it or not. But here's the last shot of the C-clamps and the chains, and the bottle jack. And as you can see, I used a 4x6 treated post. It's 12 foot long, and it held up real good. It bowed a little, but it was able to pick up the sidewalk. So anyway, I'll feel better now that delivery people won't be coming up here and tripping on that, and who knows, it could lead to a legal problem. So I'm avoiding that. Anyway, hope this helps. Thanks.